Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings because that's where Windows applies system themes. Once done, go to Personalization and select Colors on the left. This is where the color mode lives. Make sure you are signed in with an account that has administrator permissions because some settings sync across devices. If Windows is not updated, some options may be missing, so check for updates quickly. Now, you're in the right pane. Let's set the mode to dark in the next step. You'll now change the actual mode. In Colors, open the Choose Your Color drop-down and select Dark. This immediately flips supported system UI to dark. Once selected, check Default App Mode and Default Windows Mode. Older builds sometimes separate them, so set both to dark for consistency. You can also pick an accent color. If you want a fully dark feel, disable transparency effects. Make sure apps that have their own theme settings are set to follow the system or switched manually. Finish by inspecting key areas. File Explorer, Start menu, and the taskbar should now display dark surfaces. Many apps will follow automatically. If an app remains light, open that app settings and set its theme to dark or to follow the system. Some apps override system preferences. If changes still do not apply, sign out or reboot. That often forces theme refreshes. If problems persist, check for conflicting third-party theme utilities and temporarily disable them so Windows can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.